Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an extreme closet clean out. It has been very much needed, to say the least. So this is the whole rundown of my closet clean out. So I'm going to take out all of the clothes from my closet and I'm going to separate them into piles. I'm gonna have the keep pile, the donate pile, and then my Depop pile. And if you guys aren't following me on Depop, I would love if you would do so. It is just at Nicole. I'll have it linked down below like I always do. So make sure you definitely check it out because I have some really cute pieces on there and I would love for you guys to be the new owners of some cute clothes. And I just wanted to address something really quick. I changed my channel name finally. I've literally had my channel name as Love Lay for about 7 years now, and it was about time that I changed it to my actual name, which is Leilani Nicole. Well, that's my first and my middle name. I'm just super excited about it. It's been a long time coming. I also changed my Instagram and my Twitter name. So both of those handles are at Leilani Nicole A. So make sure you are following me on Insta and Twitter. And if you guys are new here to my channel, hi, my name is Leilani. I upload a new video every Saturday, so make sure you click that subscribe button down below and turn on the post notification bell so you do not miss out on any more of my videos. So with all that being said, let's get to cleaning. Hello guys, so right now we are in this corner of my room that you basically never see in my videos, but this is where my closet is. I have my full or almost full length mirror. It's like just attached to the door, and then when you open it up, yeah, it's pretty scary in here. Let's do a full close-up of what it looks like. So this is what my closet looks like. As you can see, it is pretty cluttered. It's just not organized at all. Like, you literally can't even see the floor. It is just so bad. I have so many things in here, so many clothes that I probably don't even wear or cannot even fit into, but that is why we are here today. And by the way, I have two cameras set up right now. I have this one where you're just gonna see me in my closet, and then I have my other camera, which is my Canon Rebel T5i, which is just gonna be showing like all the extra clips that you're gonna see throughout the video, so the quality might change a little bit. First, I wanna go through all of my shoes and just make sure that I'm actually using these shoes, because obviously that's taking up room. So for sure, I know that these shoes I don't wear anymore because number one, they're really dirty. I have like marker on them, like I don't even know how, but I just do not wear these anymore. So this is just gonna go in its own pile because like I'm not gonna throw away too much stuff, like just the stuff that is like this, like shoes that are really dirty and disgusting and cannot be donated, because obviously I'm not gonna donate like crappy looking shoes. For the piles, I'm gonna have like a keep pile of my clothes, a donation pile, and a sell pile, because I have a Depop. I'll link the Depop link down below, and here's what my feed looks like. I'm gonna try to sell some of the clothes I think are a little nicer and that maybe you guys would want to purchase, and then if I don't sell them within like, I don't know, a month or two, then I'll just go to Goodwill and donate them. These shoes I do not use at all. I literally got them on sale at Forever 21 for like $3, which was an amazing steal, but I literally don't wear these at all, so I think I'm gonna donate them because they're pretty nice looking. They don't look dirty at all, so I'm gonna throw this in the donate pile. Okay, so first thing I want to tackle are my bottoms. This row right here, you can't really see it, but those are all of my bottoms, and a lot of them I don't even use because I used to buy like really cheapy pairs of leggings from Forever 21, and I soon after realized that they are very sheer on the bottom, so I just never wore them anymore. So those I will definitely be getting rid of because I do not wear them at all. But first, I'm just gonna take out everything, like off the hangers and all that, so that I can just fully see what I'm working with, and then I'll decide whether or not I want to keep them or donate or sell. So that is the process. Hey guys, so I switched over to my other camera. This is the Rebel T5i. So I am just going to be separating everything into piles, like I mentioned before. So the left pile is going to be the keep pile, the middle pile is going to be to donate, and then the pile all the way to the right is going to be my pile to sell on Depop. Let's begin. Now that I've taken all of the bottoms off of their hangers, I'm just going to start working from left to right. So anything that I know for sure I want to keep, I'm just going to automatically put over there. Okay, so these are my 3 piles. Obviously, the keep pile is pretty big. I genuinely wear all of those things, and I kind of have to keep some of them, even though I don't really wear them all the time because I am going to be student teaching, so there's a lot of dress pants in there that I obviously wouldn't wear on a regular basis, but for teaching, I kind of need them. And then I just have a bunch of pants and leggings. And then this is the donate pile, and then that's the sell pile. But like I also said before, if they do not sell on my Depop, they are going to be donated. So I am back over at my closet, and I think what I'm going to do is take out everything from this top row. I don't really think I have that many clothes in here that I don't want to keep anymore, because when I was putting my spring and summer clothes into my closet, I kind of tried to do that already, so then I wasn't like putting a bunch of clothes in my closet that I wasn't even going to use. So I'm just gonna take everything out and make sure like I'm definitely keeping certain things, but if not, it'll be just a nice way to clean out my closet and then just like reorganize everything, so then it looks so much nicer. So yeah, let's get to it. So now I am on my floor, as you can tell, and I just finished going through all of the shirts that were on my bed. I mainly just got rid of a bunch of dresses that I've had since like middle school, when I used to like, or not middle school, like in high school when I used to go to like a bunch of different Sweet 16s. I am on the floor because I am going to just go through these bottom 2 drawers because there are a lot of shirts in there, and I just want to like go through and make sure that like I actually will wear the shirts that are in here, because it is jam-packed. Okay, so just from that one jar, I was able to take out all of these clothes and add them to my donation / Depop pile. I have to figure out what I want to put on my Depop, but a majority of it I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna donate to Goodwill. So I am back in my closet and I just have to do one little part of the closet. I have this little area over here where I just have like a bunch of random things. Like I have like a little drawer area where I have a lot of my Alpha C Delta shirts. So I just want to like go in there and reorganize everything and like refold all of the shirts. And then the top jar of that little area that I was telling you about has just a bunch of shorts in it. I'm just gonna go through all of the shorts to make sure that they fit me and that I would actually wear them over the summer. Oh my god, guys, I am sweating. It is so hot in here, but it's just because like I'm moving so many things around. I'm just going back and forth, so I am just dying. I am literally dying in here, but I've been tackling this project for a little over 2 hours now, and I'm very proud of how far it has come. Like I feel like I've gotten so much stuff done, but I am almost done cleaning out my entire closet. Obviously, as you can tell, I didn't get rid of too many shirts, like especially the dresses. I have so many dresses. So I was cleaning out my shorts drawer and I have these adorable like pastel colored shorts. I have been like saving them for years because I was like, oh, hopefully one day I'll be able to fit in them, because they were so small on me. Like I wasn't able to try it on in the store. They're these cute little pink shorts, and then I have these blue ones too. Aren't they so cute? Oh my god, I wish I could fit in these, but my everything, like my butt, thighs, like just cannot fit into this. So yeah, I don't know why I like saved them for years. Like it's literally probably been like 4-5 years since I first got these, or maybe less, probably 3 to 4 years since I got these. And I was just like, oh, like maybe one day I'll like be a fitness queen and work out all the time, and maybe everything will shrink and I'll be able to fit into these. But that never happened, obviously, because as you all know, when you grow up you have a woman's body, so there's just too many curves to fit into these shorts. So make sure you are following me on Depop, because I'm definitely going to be listing these. I'm so mad that I can't ever wear these, but I would love for one of you guys to like purchase this and like just take cute pics in them, live up to what my hopes and dreams were for these shorts. Not to be dramatic, but yeah, if you guys want these shorts, go on my Depop and you can purchase them. They still have the tags and everything on it. Well, not this one, I don't know why, but this one still has the tags on it, and they're both size 26, and they're from American Apparel. I don't remember if I said that before, but yeah, so definitely check out my Depop, guys. These are a steal. They're so stinking cute. So this is what my closet looks like now. Obviously, there's still a bunch of stuff in here. And of course, the section over here, as you can tell, is still a little messy. But other than that, I am proud of my hard work. It definitely looks a little cleaner. Like this area looks so much nicer. Like it looked so bad before, and now I have more shelf space, which is nice. And then with my hangers, I can like actually move them a little bit. So I mean, tiny accomplishment, but at least I got to clean it out and I feel good about myself now. And then also with my shoe rack, I got rid of the shoes that I don't really need. And then I put the shoes that weren't on here before. And now I have even more shoe space. So that is wonderful. Yay, I'm so happy. And this bin is completely filled with things that I will be listing on my Depop. And like I mentioned earlier, whatever does not sell within the next like 2 months will definitely be donated, so then they can actually go to a home and be worn with so much love. Over here we have all the things that I'm actually donating right away. My dad said that he had to go to Goodwill anyway, so I will give him all of these lovely things. And I'm excited for these clothes to find a new home. So that is it with my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give it a big old thumbs up and click the subscribe button down below. And if you stayed to this point of the video, comment down below your favorite animal. Mine is a dog, of course. They are the best. I love them. They're so cute. So that is it with this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!